Beautiful. Oh yeah. Check this out, you guys. Let me turn on this light real quick. Okay. Look at this. I haven't tightened everything together yet. Just putting it together and it's coming along. It looks freaking awesome. I like it. All stainless steel. Matches with our grayish color countertop. Okay. The sink. This is designed for undermount sink, but I needed to find the flash mount sink, but I couldn't find this size of flash mount sink. This is 13 by 15, so I'm using undermount sink for the flash mount, and it works great because this is tight space, and I don't need this lip to be so big, and this comes out perfectly. I just kind of sand off the rough edging a little bit all along the side, and now it looks so beautiful. Okay, plus our stainless steel faucet here. Okay, the countertop, this is a like 1.25 inch. I picked this up from IKEA. Marble finish laminate. It came like 25 by 72, so I had to trim off a little bit because it sticks out a little bit too far, and cut off the side. Now it works perfect. It goes together with our backsplash, you know, with the marble finish, kind of grayish color also. So it's I like it. It looks great. These here are my dimmer switches. This one is for the front ceiling LED, and this is for the rear LED. There you go, the rear. And I got my GFCI switch here, which is my induction, not induction, the inverter switch over here. Okay, induction cooktop goes here. When we're ready to cook, just bring it up, put it up here, plug it in, cook. And we don't use it, put it back. You got all this free space right here, free countertop. Okay, it's coming along really well. I like it. All right, next we are going to concentrate on the sides, and I might have to go to Home Depot, pick up some more woods to finish up our bottom bed. Okay, that's where we are right now. Today I am focusing on installing the multimedia receiver for this van. Okay, the receiver I'm installing is this Kenwood multimedia receiver. Okay, it's a Kenwood set actually. The multimedia receiver, the amplifier, 600 watt amplifier, and it also has 4 of these 6x9 650 watt speakers, 5 ways. So the multimedia, you can connect to Bluetooth at the same time. It's a Alexa built-in. You can control it with your voice. You can also control it with the app on your phone. You don't have to be right here to turn it on and off. Okay, and it also has all of those streaming apps. You can just stream from there. It also we also gonna well, this car comes with Wi-Fi, and we can have a TV here. So I'm thinking about hooking the Google Chromecast TV into it with the Wi-Fi ready, I think it's gonna be a good set, and it's gonna be loud in here. So yeah, with the 6x9, 2 in the front, 2 on the back doors. We'll see how loud it is, but I think it's gonna be good. Alright you guys, I'm going to install 2 speakers on the back, 1 on each door, and these speakers are heavier and got a big magnet and deeper here. It's not gonna well, it fits, but it's too tight, and you don't want the magnet to sit on hit the metal here. So, and also these old panels too weak, it cannot handle these speakers. What I did was I used that the old panel as a template and create this new, this is 1/2 inch plywood, okay, to fit with the existing holes by the 2 inches bolts here. Okay, it's gonna be very strong enough, and then I'm gonna raise it by about 2 inches. Okay, so to just also, yeah, to make sure that it can handle the vibration, the door slamming back and forth. That should handle that. Here you go, you guys, my speaker enclosure. Doesn't it look cool? It's very strong. So I think I'm gonna paint it black so it matches with the speakers. It doesn't stand out that much, you know. Let's try on a speaker, and it's gonna be like there. It's gonna be like that. Oh, look at that fit. Woohoo! Yeah. So now on the back, we're just gonna fill up some foam inside the compartment, so it keep that tight sound. Okay, looks great. I'm gonna go paint it. Alright you guys, I hope you like my speakers enclosure design. It works, it's very durable, strong. I slammed the doors and it didn't do anything. I mean, it did not shake at all. And tested the sound, crystal clear. Tested the movie, played the movie, on Netflix on my phone, and the sound came out from here. It's like, it's so loud in here. Imagine it's only 2 speakers and we can have 4 in here. I think it's gonna be too loud. So can't wait to install another 2 and test. Next time I'm gonna have my earplugs. Anyways, okay, moving on. Woo, we got walls to go to do. We got shower. We got cabinet doors here. We still have a lot of work to do, but slowly, yes, because right now, so busy with everything else, not a lot of time to work on the van, but I start to have my weekends off, and then longer daylights, you know, so I'm gonna have more time to work on it starting soon. So I hope you guys like this episode. Hope it gives you ideas of what I did, how I put things together, and yeah, hope you like it. And that's all for this episode. I'm going to see you the next episode. Want to thank you everybody for watching, and thank you everybody for subscribing. I have a lot of new subscribers. Thank you so much. And yes, keep it going, and it's gonna be a lot of episodes of van build and travel with this camper van. So okay, see you.